I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't wanna miss a thing.
What up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and yeah, I'm in a pretty good mood today. Why? Because it's supposed to be like 60 degrees. It's probably about 60 now, maybe 57, 58. Either way, it's freaking beautiful today. And no coyote stuff today, unfortunately, but there's a lot of things I wanted to cover today, and I've also got some stuff to do with Mrs. Foxcast GT. It needs an oil change bad. My oil container here at the house is like overflowing, so that's not gonna work. And I've got a whirring, like a whoosh, not a whoosh, a whir when the car is idling. I'm not sure if it's like the bearings in the AC compressor. I don't know what it is, but we're gonna put it on the lift, put the little stethoscope on there and listen to it, see what's up, and cover a few more things. So anyway, let's roll. So the first thing I wanted to cover today was a situation that happened last night. Sitting there doing some work last night, and my buddy Harris Lou, follow his channel, he sent me a text. He said, hey, turn on velocity, they're building a Fox body. I was like, oh god. So yeah, you know, I totally had to change the channel, see what was up, all that. And they had this white, I believe it was a 93 GT, had ridiculously clean black interior, sitting on well drag lights, looked really good. So this is the West Coast Custom show. It's on Velocity channel, and if you ever watch the West Coast Custom show, like, they put waterfalls and like all kinds of just ridiculousness, neon and snake skin and fish tanks, all this other stuff. And so I threw up a post on my page on Facebook. It's like, hey, everybody, check it out. Well, the comments started coming in. They're going to ruin it. You know, it's going to be all jacked up. And, of course, you know, I chimed in. Yeah, probably. Yep, they're going to ruin it. Blah, 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 blah. However, long story short, the end of the show, the car actually came out really nice. They did a full Maximum Motorsport suspension on it. They didn't end up putting these giant Lexani wheels they were planning to put on it. And yes, they did take out the mint black interior and replace it with red, but it didn't look bad at all. So I stand corrected on that. So if you saw some of my comments about, yeah, they're going to ruin it, there you go. That's my admitted apology. But the fact of the matter remains that television car shows, and you know, there's several of them, especially like on Velocity and Discovery Channel, they totally ruin it. You cringe every time you watch them, and I think that's why YouTube especially is so popular, because you don't have all the fake drama and all the fake crap that network televisions force on car shows to make, you know, to get ratings and get views and stuff. So yeah, that's my kind of rant and halfway apology today for saying that the car was going to get ruined. So I apologize. Let's move on.
I'm running out of time, every day goes by so fast. And every moment counts, baby, I don't want to miss a thing. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, or hang out in hotel bars, driving somewhere in your car. We can sleep under the stars, we can sleep under the stars, under the stars.
Alright guys, so we finally made it to Dover's garage and did a little checking under the hood here, and looks like the rear bearing and the alternator is kind of noisy, so no big deal. Got a lifetime warranty on that, so probably gonna grab one of those up. So I was kind of worried that it was gonna be the AC compressor because it's original, but it's not, so good deal. Definitely good news. Alright, so getting the wife's GT all taken care of, and the Mach 1 out here. This thing has had a really hard life. Jeremy, we're gonna have to speak to the owner about this vehicle. He's not loved the Mach 1 too much.
Just got it. Bought it like this.
Wow. Oh, okay. So he's not responsible.
No, he ain't responsible.
But Jeremy just got it back running for him. I think we should take it for a test drive. What do you think?
It's been sitting a while. I'll just let you handle it.
Oh, you're gonna let me handle it?
Yeah.
It's a stick too. God, how am I gonna video? You want to? Here, you drive. You drive, or you want a video?
Yeah, I'll video.
All right. So we're gonna see what the Mach 1's all about. I haven't driven a Mach 1 since like 05. So, all right. Woo, man, she is rough, dude. Somebody needs to love this car. And I see it looks like it's been tuned at some point.
Yeah.
Nice. All right, Jeremy's officially taking over camera duties. How safe are we in this thing?
Great.
Yeah.
Good, man.
Dover works on all the police in town, so.
Can't see nothing.
Yeah. The screen goes dark. Save battery. Looks pretty good.
It's not bad.
Not too bad. A little skip in there.
It's been sitting for a long time.
Yeah, it needed it blown out, didn't it?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Not bad.
Two valve ain't gonna do that.
No. That hurt the wife's car for sure. Got gears in her?
I believe it does. I don't remember what's in it, but
These poor dry rotted tires don't know what to think. I was just saying last night how much I needed to drive something with some balls. So, yeah.
I mean, for what it is, I thought it was pretty good.
Yeah.
Feels good, huh?
Yeah. This thing would destroy my red car, my 02.
Huh.
It does not pull like this. This is not bad for a pretty well stocked Mach 1.
That's what I thought.
Oh yeah. Feels good to bang some gears.
Right behind us.
Right here.
Right here. Over here.
Oh.
See, they all need love down here. Look,
Yeah.
look at that one. And you thought this one was bad. Look at that.
Yeah. All right, guys. So I gotta give a little credit to the old Mach 1. Yeah, she's had a hard life, but you know what? Little 1, 2, and 2, 3 power shift, she didn't do too bad. So, good job to the Mach 1. Man, it felt good to kick a clutch for the change. God almighty. Because the 02 has nothing on that. It's slow, it's so ridiculously slow. And I do have an update on the red car coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, feel 100% better banging some gears. All right, so I gotta pay my bill. Hold on, Jeremy. Where's your coffee cup at? I gotta show that off.
This one?
Yeah. So Jeremy got one of my black stickers and like totally made his own custom Foxcast Media cup. I dig it, and definitely after seeing it, I think that's something I need to put in the store. I don't know. What do you think? Put it in the store?
Yeah.
Yeah, because that's cool. I'm gonna make my own too. Good stuff. Alright guys, since we had an AutoZone right up the road, we're just gonna go ahead and swap out the alternator. It was a lifetime warranty deal, so not even really worried about it. These are the easiest alternators on the planet to change. I actually put this on her car in a parking lot in the rain about 2 years ago, so nothing to it. So the wife has been blowing me up with texts, wondering what in the world the noise is, and so instead of me driving back to where I live and getting it there. We just said, screw it, we're just going to do it here. So, gonna put the alternator on it. Call it good. Happy wife, happy life, I guess. Alright, so, parts run, officially made. New alternator for the wife's GT. Get this thing put on, call it a day. Alright guys, so super productive day. Got the alternator swapped out, changed the oil, and just gave the wife's car a good look-see. And got a couple more errands to run, nothing major, but you know, nothing major going on today. So, but it is 60 degrees and I'm in a good mood. But in the meantime, if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button. I'll be back tomorrow, and who knows what we're gonna do, but I promise it'll be epic. Later.